Hello, we are Lambda Expression. So we are a two-member team consisting of Meenakshi and myself, Shweta. So the app that we bring to this competition is a web application in the category of productivity. It's called My Shadi Organizer. So you must be wondering, there are enough wedding planner apps. Why have we gone with another one in the same way? So the major difference is the wedding apps that are currently available, they are more planners and schedulers kind of app, and they focus more on the bride and groom. But the Indian scenario is completely different. Here, the whole family comes together to make the shadi happen. So, it only makes sense that an app considers the role of every member in a family and how they make this event a success. So that's why the My Shadi organizer. So with this, you get to organize your shadi along with your relatives, your family members, and your friends who come together, take up responsibilities, and make this happen. So what we've done is a web application, and currently you're seeing the home page. Now let's go to the login page. So this is how you log in into the system. Suppose you don't have a login, then you need to look at the sign up screen. So I'm going to use a user SSS who already has a login. So let's say SSS is a user who has a marriage coming up, and she has created an event. The very first event that you can see, events you created, My Marriage, is something that she's created. And how do you create events? So there's this. So basically, all the events you created are visible in the first section, and then there's the second section. This is where you create your events, and there's the third section where you see the events to which you are invited. So your friend may be getting wedded, and her wedding may have invited you. So let's see how to create an event. So we just give a dummy event, and maybe you can mark a category, a party or a marriage. Though we have taken a specific case of marriage, this can be for any event. So now let's look at My Marriage. This is the most important event. So when SSS clicks on My Marriage, he or she enters into the screen where they get to monitor the progress and the to-do list for this event. So what you see over there is a list that contains the work to be done, like flower decor, there is photos, there is shadi, shopping, and things like that. So the list is available here. And then above this is a box that lets you add more items to the list. So you have some other item that you need to be added. Let me put something for example, and then just add to the list. Another feature that you get to do with this is track or even assign the tasks. So let me make a selection. Yeah, for the example, this task is not assigned to anybody. So I get an assign button, and I get a list of people who have logged into the system, my relatives, to whom I can assign the task. So right now the task is assigned to HHH and must appear in the profile of HHH. Now let's look at the track feature. Suppose I need to track the progress. I press the track button and I see the assignee and their comments on this on the status of this task. So let's log in into the system as a user HHHH, who is a relative of SSS, and SSS has already assigned some task to HHH, so we get to see that. So when the user logs in, HHH has no event coming up, so there's nothing under that category. But he sees the events to which he has been invited, which is present in the last section. So one of them is My Marriage event, which is created by SSS. So he goes into that page by pressing select, and enters this screen where for the first time they enter a screen where they get to indicate the interest, what task they want to take up. Are they interested in flower decoration? Are they interested in shopping? So they get to mark their interest on this page. And this is optional, so you can even skip this and go to the next page, which is the more critical page. So this is where the person HHH can view the tasks assigned to him by the other user, SSS, right? So he has been assigned the task of flower decoration. So he can see the task and the name and the description. So when he edits, he can actually add the status and the status comments and update that. So this way the status appears now on the profile of SSS, and SSS can now track which task is at what status and monitor the progress and things like that. The task and the assign button in that profile helps. So that's about it. That's what the demo. Thank you.